Hi guys. Hold on, I'm looking for my tali.
You need one more?
Tali.
Like, yeah, I know. Or do you got
Oh,
one?
you understand?
Yeah, I know.
You have one?
Yeah, I do.
I can do my chores and be part of the family. And write my words too.
Hey, Oreo.
We're different, boy.
You can have my...
You and me were different.
Okay.
Like to live on two different hills with big pictures. When you're doing things like the faintest notion what they are.
Leaf. Ew, you can see my lips. Without my permission.
I'm gonna pull you off on my hill if you want to stay on yours.
Okay, fine, okay. Wow, okay.
Ate, that's why I told you not to.
I know, I put him down, but he went like...
Not to, guys.
I wasn't too high.
Not to carry her because he's so jumpy.
I didn't
See,
go... Okay,
she is
anyways-
correcting me.
What? It's fun to play.
Guys, I bought this one.
You bought it?
Yeah. No, I bought it in the.
I know. I thought that she gave it to you and I buy it.
So I'm gonna do unboxing this. I'm so excited.
I'm gonna move that.
Mom,
Thank you, ate.
You're welcome. Too much water.
or Madison.
X.
Oh, this is skinny. She's just gonna lose that.
I'm gonna drink.
I got this. You know what? I
Say that.
bought so many of this, but I never use it. Oh, look at that! It's same color. It's matching. Oh, look at that, ate.
I see.
I see. I no. What's wrong? You need me? Oh my God, that's so beautiful too.
We're gonna keep it all around.
I prefer my
No.
milk tea.
Everybody who wants to use it.
Good job, Nana.
Yeah.
Love it.
Love it.
I
prefer
love it.
milk.
I love it. I
Yes.
love it. That's what we're
love
gonna
it.
We
I
love
prefer
it.
milk tea.
We love it.
Anyways,
Yeah, go ahead.
yeah.
Keep going, keep going.
But I never use it, or I just use I just barely use it. Just one,
Barely,
yeah. Once in a blue moon. So, but still, I'm still gonna try that. And this one, that's the reason why I bought it.
Nice. Is that a jerk? A 4-year-old?
It's heavy. That's the reason why I bought this. It's because first, Ate Sophia's hair is very thin.
Thick.
Very thick. Yeah, so it takes a while to dry her hair, especially winter, you know. They should be dry all the time when they're going out, and her school it's face to face. Huh? What's wrong? Aw, why are you crying?
Tea?
Oh, what you crying? Oh, why you crying? Tell mommy. What's wrong? Come here. Oh, look, it's so beautiful when you cry. Okay, let's read this, Tita Annabelle. Your ninang. That's enough. No more. Okay, happy 8th birthday. Betcha can't wait to celebrate. Have fun. We wish you many happy and eventful years full of amazing memories. Happy birthday, Kimiko. From Ninang and Ninong. Oh, I love it.
Very nice.
See? You got here. Where's the other money you got? Better save it. And then where's your wallet?
That's quick. You're not even saving time to look at it.
And they have a love hunted
Sorry, guys.
in case you want.
Oh my gosh. For $20, keep it in there. And where's your wallet? See, you got a lot of money again. Okay. Good job, Nak. Oh.
She's still crying.
Yeah.
It goes on my head.
Her sissy hurt her feelings.
Me too.
Oh, okay.
Have a nice hat.
There you go.
Ow!
You woke me up.
She got her wallet.
That's so nice.
And your $20, the one you put it in my bag. So,
Very good.
yeah. There's my bag right there.
The one with coffee. This
I saw you putting that when I played the video. Oh my God, I was like, what is this? I saw it when I'm watching my vlog. Okay, now you got it all. Keep it. So when we go to store, there. Okay, can I put this away so I can finish my unboxing? So that's our gift.
What unboxing?
Unboxing.
I'm gonna play music while you do that.
How to do it?
I know how to do it.
Okay. This is it.
No, Mommy, that's not how it goes. You don't know.
I don't know.
I think she does
This
know.
goes here.
Oh, okay, got you.
This one goes here.
Oh, okay.
Put this here. Yeah, like that. Okay, all the
Oh, so much fun.
No, not that.
I know it's hard.
It's cool.
Sounds great.
This is very cool.
I don't want to.
Yeah. Her BFF. F. With S.
F. Now we could do the last one. This upside down.
Oh, that's a good idea. I never think about it.
Oh, wait, Mom. Hold up.
Yeah. Oh.
I want to go to my playlist. My playlist is better.
I'm so excited.
In fact, all day. I'll do.
Oh, look at all you. Look at them. Oh my god. Okay. Let me finish so I could carry Oreo. Okay. Yeah. What does that take? Thin? Yeah, thick.
Thick?
Uh-huh. Yeah, and also, that's the reason why I bought this to be continued. Yeah, it's winter and then when everybody took shower, I had to dry their hair. Especially, they're my babies. Because, you know what's the reason why the dogs stink? And my dog, my babies, I never call them dog. You know why? I call them by their name. It's because for me, they're not the dog. They're my babies. That's the reason why I never call them dog. So yeah, they're my babies. So cute. So yeah, I dry their hair when after shower because if you don't, they're gonna stink. I don't know why. We try that. That's why I always do. I always dry their hair after shower. See, this smells so good. They're resting. Kimmy, I always told you that. Nobody wants to be bothered when they're resting.
I'm always bothered.
What I'm gonna do now?
Oh, the dogs are.
I cannot finish my...
Have fun, Mom.
All my babies here.
If this would like to work. Thank you. Open space.
Oh, that was gonna be last and first, you guys in the table. That's gonna be last, first and last.
You're sneezing, now you're kissing them.
Yes.
Ba-da-ba.
Para pap 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 para pap. You gotta help me. Oh, I need.
I'm gonna just
Careful,
dance.
wait, careful.
I'm gonna dance with Oreo.
Okay.
It's one of my favorite colors.
Oh no. And look. Oh no no no.
No.
Look what I said to Ate. It's matching. I didn't even know that.
Oh, that your nails.
Yeah.
I
See,
thought
you said. I see.
I thought you meant this. I thought you meant
Everything.
that.
Everything.
I didn't think your nails. I didn't
So
even
everybody is excited for mommy. Oh, I never used this.
Here's this other part of this thing.
What are you
Oh,
doing?
Nana,
There's a
thank you.
spongy thing inside there.
Thank you so much, Nana.
Kim, no, don't.
The head is much bigger than this.
So let's try it. And my penny in my how do we call that? My penny in my Oreo. Scared this. noise. They're never used to it. Never. Especially Penny. Okay. Gimme.
Look, it's an Oreo.
I wanna try.
Mama, so remember when I was screaming Oreo's name yesterday? Amelia and Periana were so confused. Like, Oreos? Are they that excited?
I wanna try.
And then we brought Oreo upstairs, and then like, oh, Oreo.
Can I try in your hair? How
Powerful.
powerful? Blow. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't want mine to wear. Yeah, it's really so hot. Ano yung ano nila? Anak. Can mama sit please? Just like a little bit. No, anak, not in the table, nak. You're too big for it. Nak, you're too big for that. Get down, please. Get down. And my count of 3, huh? Get down.
1,
20.
2, 3. Oh, can I have some popcorn?
So, this is I never have a popcorn anymore because you know why?
Popcorn.
Stick in my teeth. It's stuck in my teeth. I don't like it.
I trade you for an Oreo.
That's why I didn't finish it.
Do you want the food Oreo? Okay, would you like the Oreo food or the Oreo? Hey, get your butt off this.
Okay.
I'll give you it.
Oh my goodness, both of
I'll
them.
give you the popcorn.
Oh, dang it.
I'll give you the popcorn if you share the popcorn. Deal?
Okay.
And there's a free bag, the one that I carried earlier. So now, Anna, can I have my iron, please? I wanna try this so
I like
bad.
this one. I like
Anna, can you brush your hair?
Okay.
I wanna try the curly hair for, please.
try for myself.
Which
I
one?
want to do it myself. That.
This one?
Yeah, I want to try myself.
No, I wanna try the lady that taught me how to do it.
We're going on the side to make it curly.
Mm-hmm.
I already know how to do
Oh,
that.
you do it like 1, 2, 3. This is a flip it 3 times.
Kinda? Not that one. I know a
I
different
don't
one.
know. I haven't tried it. Like I never tried this to use it as a curly.
I always did.
Oh, you do it?
It's not that hard. I do a different way though. And then
Oh,
I learned you can do it a different way.
this is expensive. Oh, there's a bag too.
Oreos is something.
That's cool. Oh, rubber. It is a bag.
I don't think so. I think
Ate,
that's where you can put your flattening iron
be
on.
careful when you do it. CHI. What is CHI? The brand.
Mom, that's where you put your ironing on, so when it's hot.
Because the lady said it's hot really quick and it's really hot. Because I know my daughter will use it first before me. After this, try. It's not gonna get burned, huh? Are you sure?
Pretty sure if it's rubber,
It is rubber.
and if it's for the if it's for
Oh, there's.
I'm not gonna brush my hand.
Oh, this lady forgot her back.
We have another question here. Please.
I'm not sure the way I learned it. I know.
You made a decision.
Oh, there.
There you go.
Okay.
Why is it on that side?
I've made up my mind.
How many? For 25.
It's made up right now. What about a few years from now?
Oh, it's not already.
I think that was a
That
chance
was
for
quick.
good education.
Can I try? Careful. That's really hot, anak.
I don't want to do it.
You're sure?
I don't know if I'm going
I can't do it right. I don't really remember how to. You're supposed to. That's what I learned. For you curl it like that. You twist it and then you pull. But my hair isn't really that flat. Let me find it first, because I don't really remember how to do it. It's fine.
I'm scared.
Curling.
I should be the scared one.
I forgot how to do it.
How's the girl thing?
Oh, that's how they do
How's
it.
the lady there? She pulled. She went.
Yeah, and then you pull it.
I don't know how.
It's very hot.
You're gay.
Okay, na, let me try it again.
Sending around you, just being
No, I don't know how.
I saw it. I just don't know how to do it.
Kimmy, come here. Kimmy, na, please. Kim. And I told to the lady, when they're doing it, it looks like it's really easy. But when you do it, it's hard.
Yeah.
This is very learning.
It's kind of easy. Yeah. Let me listen. Leave it.
Apple.
I don't know.
Oh no! It's really hard. Oh,
I don't know. I didn't do it right.
Ah, you can see me. You can see you.
I'm not interested. I told you I'm not interested.
Ate, when are you gonna get?
Tell us that.
Ate, when are you gonna get YouTube on my Nintendo?
I'm through with writing. I'm through with poetry. I'm through with books. The sooner we get that settled, the better off we'll be.
I'm sorry.
I don't know, but I'm hot.
Guess I'll be going home now.
Gimme!
Yeah.
Get off my Switch.
I got it. I got it.
That's not me.
Hold on. She's so happy. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, one more.
Do it to me, do it to me.
Hold on, one more.
Kitchen to a split. Do I have your attention? Do I have your attention?
I do it. I do it.
Do me.
Did I do it right? I see. Oh yeah. Yay! I know how now. Okay. Give me my phone.
I'm so scared.
Oh, I want to sit.
I can feel the apple.
A little bit. Hold on. Come here.
Oh no, I'm scared.
Are you scared?
Timmy. I like it. I like it. It's nice.
And I want that to stand.
So, it's all for now, guys.
Maybe.
Good night, guys. That's all. Mayroon na naman akong bagong pagkakaabalahan. Ang mayroon ako yung pang-curly talaga siya. Yun doon ako sanay. Pero ito, every time I tried, didn't get it.
Mommy, it's my turn.
It's
to
your-
use the ring light. Hey, don't go
Oh, you wanna do your vlogging again? Okay.
It's my turn.
So this is gonna be your ring light because tomorrow I'm gonna have one. Bye guys! Say bye guys! Mwah. No.